You just spend 6 hours filtering through 500 resumes to find the 3 perfect candidates. But when you finally pick up the phone to reach out to them 48 hours later, they have already signed up with your competitor. So because of these narrations, most HR team actually think that they have a talent shortage, but that's actually not true. It is only that they have a speed to lead problem. You see, in 2026, if you are not responding to top tier candidates within minutes, you have already lost them. Now, research even shows that responding to interested leads immediately increases your success rate 7 to 9 times. We used to think that manual follow-up is slow, but it is no longer slow. It is even a business liability. Now, think of your hiring process like a juicer. A 500 resume stack is like a giant pile of fruit, and most of it is pulp, the unqualified candidates and the maybes. So the problem is that most HR are trying to squeeze the fruit by hand while you are even stuck in the pulp. Your competitors are using AI to extract the concentrated essence, which is the top 1% of talent in your industry, and they do it in seconds. Most AI experts tells you to use ChatGPT to write better job descriptions, and that's very good. It's just that it's the installation phase. It's just like a wrapper that is wrapped around a broken process. So the true competitive advantage comes in the development phase. And it's about building an agentic AI system that lives inside your daily workflow, and it also acts like a junior associate that never sleeps. Now, let me give you the solution, and I would like you to imagine this with me. So imagine a lead it submit button on your website, and within 15 minutes, while you are still finishing your coffee, an AI agent, so let's call him Ben, it automatically calls that lead. And Ben isn't just reading the script, it's actually curious, and it uses natural language to qualify the needs. So by the time you open your laptop to work, Ben has already done all the work for you. He has already logged a full call summary and an interested status in the database, so you see everything by yourself. So you are not just chasing the ghost anymore, but rather you are only talking to people who are ready for the job. So this is a way of me telling you that AI is not here to replace you, the recruiter. It is actually here to replace that 40 hours job that you put in per week. That 40 hours you spend on screening the CVs, onboarding, and all of that. So in the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build this AI voice agent from scratch. So this is the time for you to stop watching the hype and then start deploying the solution. I'll see you in the next video.